me something. Tell me, have you given up? Tell me something. Tell me, have you given up? I see you running. I don't know what you're running from. It hurts me to know there's no easy fix, and I hate that you're feeling like this. But I'll tell you something, I swear I'm never giving up. 'Cause when I see you, I see forever. Call me foolish for thinking I'd find a way. It's so useless trying to hold back the waves. What can I do? What can I say when the truth's staring me in the face? Love is ruthless. Maybe I'm just foolish. And I might be crazy, I might be in over my head, trying to keep us steady, standing on a jagged edge. But I'd give it all just to go back. Now I'm watching us fall through the cracks. But I promise you, darling, I am never giving up. 'Cause when I see you, I still see forever. Call me foolish for thinking I'd find a way. It's so useless trying to hold back the waves. But what can I do? What can I say when the truth's staring me in the face? Love is ruthless. Maybe I'm just foolish. Yeah, maybe I'm a fool. Maybe I'm a fool. What can I do? What can I say when the truth's staring me in the face? Love is ruthless. Maybe I'm just foolish. And oh, if it all goes down in flames, you can tell me I'm insane to think that we could have had it all. Call me foolish for thinking I'd find a way. It's so useless trying to hold back the pain. But what can I do? What can I say when the truth's staring me in the face? Love is ruthless. Maybe I'm just foolish. Yeah, maybe I'm a fool. Maybe I'm a fool. What can I do? What can I say when it's you staring me in the face? Love is ruthless. Maybe I'm just foolish.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the dance Flourish. 32 counts to 1 intermediate. There's a tap of 8 counts happen twice at the end of wall 1 and 3. And also there is one restart happens in wall 6 after count 16 end. Now the dance. First action, weight on your left, start with your right. Forward swerve, cross side, behind side, cross. Recover side, step forward, diagonal. Make a half turn, 730. Next action, forward swerve, step lock, forward hitch, back swerve, sway up, back recover. Next action, side, back rock, side, back recover, forward half turn, quarter side, behind side. Next action, cross and 1/3/4, weight on the left, back recover, cross side rock, step forward, make it half turn, rock right back, recover. Count 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a tap of 8 counts happen twice at the end of wall 1 and 3. Now the tap. Out, out, push right hand out with palms forward. Touch left shoulder across to right shoulder. Touch behind and right half turn with right hand forward. Close in fist and then roll the arm in 3 counts. 6, 7, 8. Now the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is when we start happens in wall 6 after counting 16 and now wall 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we start the new one at 12 o'clock. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.